Hey, this is Brett with Pangea. In this video, we'll show you how to create a new fax to email user. So from the reseller login page, you'll want to click on the users button and then create a new user. And in the login field of the user, this will typically be the email address. In fact, you'll want it to be the email address since it is a fax to email user. You'll want to give them a password. So these are the credentials that the user will use to access the web portal as well. Typically, you want to select the allow email to fax without password so they don't have to include a password when they send a fax via email. Want to populate the email address field here, and then the additional contact information is optional. You can choose a time zone per user. This will show up in the reports and delivery notifications. We'll go ahead and click next here. These are the different settings per user. We'll select allow view fax here. This will allow the user to view faxes in the user portal. We'll leave the others by default here, but feel free to review these and let us know if you have any questions on the different options here. Click next. So here you can get a new DID. If you're going to be provisioning a new DID, you can choose from the drop down here and grab the preferred area code. Grab one in Seattle. Click the use button and it'll populate in this field here. If you're going to be porting a number to Pangea, you can manually type in the 10-digit fax number here. Again, we'll add the user's email address here. This is where inbound faxes will be received. If you want it to just go to one email address, just type in the one email address. But if you want it to go to multiple, you'll want to add a comma and then the next email address, and it can go to multiple email addresses when inbound faxes are received. Since it's just a allow fax to email, we'll click allow fax to email here. That's required. We can skip the allow fax to fax since this is just a fax to email user here. And we'll go down to the delivery confirmations. Again, we'll add the customer's email address. And again, if they want it to go to multiple delivery confirmations to go to multiple email addresses, we can add a comma and add the next email address here as well. The delivery confirmations, will customize that here. You can go text and first page, or text or all pages, and then you can select whether they want them delivery confirmations for just failures or successful faxes or both. We'll go ahead and click next here. For this user, so this is the billing settings. For this user, we'll go charge by page. We'll set them up with a credit limit of 200 pages. We'll have it reset at the first of the month. So obviously this is an example and you can do this per user how you wish. You want to give them a rate plan, so we'll choose the option here. You'll want to select the company that this user is associated with, or if there's no company that they're associated with, you'll select the no company. And that's pretty much it. You have different options here. If you have any questions on these options, let us know. We'll go ahead and click save for this user. And you can see it populated here under the list of users. So that's how easy it is. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks.